Hello once again, dudes, my name is Emil, and welcome to another XHTML tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to be starting on a scenario I made for you up in my mind. So what this basically is, and go ahead and copy your doc type definition, and we're going to be leaving this for now, and save anew as cv.html. I already had one. What the fuck? What this scenario basically is about, and we're going to build the basic core that we're going to be using for it in just a second. But basically, uh, the scenario is that like this: you are like a programmer or a web designer, like you're me. That's just saying you're me, or no, that's a bad example. You are Michael Stonefest, beef jerky. Oh, Michael Stonefest, yeah. And you're a web designer, a programmer, or something, and you want a job. So what you do is that you have an online CV that you redirect guys to, that you are going to, oh, that's from last tutorial, work for. So we're basically going to be building an online CV. So what CV stands for something cool, old Italian Roman thing. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna copy it because I don't feel like typing it in, but I want to have the right word. So we're going to be building the basic core right now, and most of the things I'm doing right now, you already know. The reason I'm doing this is because I like you to kinda see how things you learn can be used to put together. Remember that the title first. Together. I'm gonna be like online. See we. Was it Michael Stonefest, right? Pretty cool name. And we're going to add a media tag just to be sure. Or that's not how it should sound. We're going to add a media tag because it's important. That's how it should sound. I'm stupid today. We're going to set this equal to Michael. He's the author. You know, I made the website. So yeah, that's all we need for now. So we're going to add our body. Alright. So first, I'm going to add. I'm gonna make a H group. Actually, makes more sense since we're going to use more than one. And then I'm going to make one header, and that's saying this stuff. I'm gonna add a subtitle saying personal information. So a lot of the things that we have learned, we've learned all these tutorials we're now going to be using for building this. So if you don't feel like watching with me, you can just skip this if you wish, but let me warn you, we're going to learn maybe some new things. So it would be the best thing if you stayed, honestly. So again, before I forget it, I'm gonna add a break here. I'm not gonna make another browsing place again because I like this. Browse, right? Because I really liked it actually. So we're going to add a link here, and we're going to set the name, so we can easier browse, as I told you, into info. So I'm gonna add a link here that's referring to info. Alright, there we go. It's saying personal information. Alright. Oh shit, what the hell was that? So below here we're going to be building what the hell? Yo, that's how it is. Yeah, that's how I want it. So we're going to be building this. So what I want is I want some bold stuff here saying name, and that's what do we say? Michael Stonefest. Right. And these are the lists that we learned in the last tutorial. We're going to be adding an H, which consists of 27, and then we're going to add a address or email. Sounds more reasonable. Which consists of something that doesn't exist in real life, like me, Michael Stonefest, a hit you heart.com. And I know this doesn't exist in the real world, but it's my meaning cause I don't want you to spam this poor guy if he existed. So add a phone number, which also will, especially this one, will consist of something that doesn't exist, like going to be like, wait. It's not going to be that. It's going to be something just close to be realistic, like this. Alright, don't know if that's the number. I hope so. I don't hope so, I mean. So we're going to add some more, information. And what basically a CV is, it's like a way of showing your talents. I'm going to put an address down here. And here, we're going to be showing like USA. No, that's for country. Actually, we're gonna add the country. That's going to be USA. That's a little bit to show United States of America. That sounds more reasonable. And language, and we're going to add like parentheses saying S. I'm trying to make this as reasonable as possible, and I'm gonna set this English, German, Danish, French. He's good at speaking, this guy. And we're going to add address properly, which is going to be New York. He's living in New York, and New York, Emile Street 29, right? And I don't know what the postal code for New York is, I'm sorry, but I'm trying to do it as reasonable as I can. I'm just gonna type in this. Alright, that's the postal code now. So now we have some personal information. So if we go ahead and look on this on Chrome, it should, as you can see, it already looks reasonable enough. If we make this small enough, you see, it works. Alright. So right now this looks pretty fine. We have our CV here. Where is it? There we go. So we're going to add some more personal information, but that's for the next tutorial. So as you can see, with the things we've learned, we can combine it into some really great stuff. Actually gonna make this URL instead, cause I think it looks more properly. There we go. That's just a personal thing. So as you can see, we can combine this into pretty awesome stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next tutorial where we're going to be working more on this baby.